Guess where we are? Look at Naya. She says, I'm crazy. I just saw the manager pull up. He probably like, bitch, are you signing clocking in for work? Waved. He's like, are you here again? Yep, to see my bird. My bird. Well, good timing, because he about to let me hold my bird. Sunsetta. Paulina. Hey, girl. You gonna come over here? Say hi to your future mama. Ooh, look at those wings. Look at those wings. Come on. Wait, you went up instead of down? Dang, that's messed up. It's the same chick with the hair. Curly hair. That's me. It's me. Same chickie. Come down. Come. Come here. Oh, you acting funny today. Oh, there go the feathers. Oh, wait. It's you. Hey. It's me again. Come down. Come here. Come here, girl. Come to your future mama. She like, this lady crazy. I don't know if I want her to be my mother. Come. Oh, here we go. Where? I always get alerts when I'm here. Come here. Come on. Yes, come on. Oh, yeah, come on. Yes. Hey. Come on. Look, look, look. I don't know if she's trying to use that to come down. Oh, my gosh. Oh, her nails got stuck. Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Are you gonna climb on that? No, for real? Oh, you climbing up higher, girl. Oh, not you trying to get closer. Hi! Oh my goodness, that's a big drop though, Sunset. Get back on that platform. Oh, get back up there. She's gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Oh my goodness, look at her. She's hanging by one. What do they call? Look, 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 look. She's trying to come